Hi, this is Connie. Okay, this is our fourth lesson for a young beginner, like ages 3 to 6. We are in this book, the Color Me Musical, Adagio, Piano Book 1. It's got a green circle up here in the corner with level 1, and this is what the cover looks like. All right, and we are starting on page 17 for this lesson. Let me just switch to, there we go. All right. We're going to learn a new character today. His name is Elix the Eel. And if you can see him, here he is right here. He is swimming. Here's the cave that we already learned. Remember, Dave lives inside the cave. Cade lives over here. Well, Elix, that starts with an E, see how these E's are highlighted in green? He is an eel, and he is green. And he lives on the right side of the cave. So we're going to find him on the piano. Let me just switch the camera. Oh, hold on. There, over to the piano, and I'll show you where Elix lives. Okay, here was Cade. Here's Dave right in the middle of the cave. Here's Elix right here. Okay, that's where he is. All right. Back to... Oops, wrong one. Hello. There's the piano, and we'll go back to where the book is. Okay, right here. Here we go. There's Elix. We learned Elix. Now we have a song with Elix. It shows that we use the middle finger of the right hand on that key, and we play Elix, 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 rest. Elix, 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 rest. Okay, I'll switch to the piano one more time. Let's see if I can do this easily and play this for you. Okay, ready? Here we go. Now, for the position, we want the fingers to be a little bit round. That's going to come later. If the students aren't getting that right away, the most important thing is to have finger independence so they can play just one finger at a time. Don't push clear up here in the black keys. Stay out here on the front edge of the white keys to play. So here's Elix. Elix, 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 rest. Elix, 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 rest. There we go. That's how we do that song. All right. Come back to the book. Okay, the next song is all three together. We've learned Cade and Dave and Elix. I don't think this will be too difficult. It shows you right where they all are on the fingers, and it just plays two of each one to practice the three together. All right, then up and down. Going up and down. There's rest, there's Cade, there's Dave, and there's Elix. And then the last one is teeter-totter. Then we're going to go on to a new one. Okay, those are the songs in your fourth lesson. Practice each song 3 times every day, and I will see you at the next lesson. Okay, bye-bye.